All right, I'm gonna go over my pump, my pool equipment with you. All right, right now I just got my pump turned on. I was bleeding the air out of the top of the filter housing. So we got a pool drain, and our skimmer right there. And if you look at the valves, you'll see closed on what's closed. It goes through our pump. Just turn the pump on so it has a little bit of air in it, but it'll come out. Goes through the pump, through this pipe, which this is a three-way valve, and you'll see closed. This area is what you'll do to open that valve, and you can drain your pool that way. It goes into the filter, builds up pressure up on top, comes out of your filter through another valve. This valve is closed. It's to bypass the heater. Will come this way, comes into the heater, back out of the heater, goes through a check valve, around the heater, through your chlorine. You can unscrew the top of this and add chlorine tablets, and then you can adjust the flow of it behind there. And then out to your pool. The pool lines come right underneath the gate. And back this way to the pool. All right, for my control equipment, we have a transformer. We have our ozone generator. It's a there's a blue light. You'll see that blue light on, and then you want this ball somewhere in between the middle, and there's a little bit of air in the system that will bounce. But turn it up or turn it down, and we want it right about there. All right, for controllers, it has a pool temp, air temp, heater control, filter speed, the date. All right, so right or left goes through kind of your main information. Then you can hit menu and then hit your settings. This is where you're going to turn your pool heater on. Turn it on. To turn it off, you go to off, obviously. Variable speed settings. This is where you can set your speed of your pump, your date and time. Your display light, that's on here. Beeper, settings, timers. This is where you can go through all your timers. All right, diagnostics menu, and go through your diagnostics. All right. So in your timer menu, this is where you're going to set your pump timer. Have it run for 6 to 12 hours on 80%, and the rest of the time you can turn it down lower if you want. Also in your timers, your pool lights are what's going to run your fence lighting, and you can adjust that again in your timers. Right now I think it comes on at like 6 or 7 at night and goes off about 10 o'clock. Your lights, you can turn your lights on your pool. If you want to change color, you turn it off then back on, and there's like 16 different colors, so every time you want to change the color of your lights, off then back on, and that color will stay the whole time, even though they turn off and then they turn back on. If you do it quickly, that's when you'll change colors. There's like 16 different colors, and that's how you do it. So hopefully this helps. Let me know what you think.